After the unboxing, I read a couple of things on the books. We have to put the salt in the machine. But first, I wrote, for the first time you have to put 1 liter of water. After, you have to put the salt. You use this thing. I'm gonna put it here. Yep. And the salt. Alright. Let's do it more easy. In the book it's writing to put 1.5 kilos, but I think I didn't put so much salt and it's almost full, like you see. Alright. And they said carefully to put this one back. Yep. Done. Alright, the next step, I'm gonna put the machine in this space and I have to connect the water pipes and connect to the electricity. A normal plug. This one is for the water to go in the machine and this one is for the water to go out of the machine. Alright. Let's get to work. The machine is in her place and I connect the main water. It's very easy to connect just by hand, you don't have to use any tools. And the water who is going out, I connect it here with the washing machine and on the sink. And now we can start the water. You can see it's not leaking. It's tight. And we're gonna try the machine to see how it's working. The machine has to be straight, and I check the levels, how it's staying from corner to corner. It's on level. I check from front to back, it's on level. It's on level. Everything is in place. Now I have to read more instruction to see what I have to do next. Yeah, after I check everything, it's alright. I was reading the book, and I saw a couple of things. It's not my first dishwasher and I don't like to spend time reading a manual, but just the important bits. And I saw the machine have to be straight. To make it straight, I show you have to put the spirit and look, things like that, but you have here, down here, if you see, I don't know if you see, you can adjust this with a screwdriver if you need up or down, the same in this part. And I read a little bit about the salt, because normally on the other machine you have to put the salt and after test the water to see how level of salt you need it to be spread when you're washing the dishes. But this one don't have anything like that to put on number, you know, from 1 to 6 or something like that. This one is different for rice. It's different, you see. You have numbers from 1 to 6, and I put it on 3. Let's fill it up. Whoop. I don't know how. I think it's enough. Alright. Put this one back. Alright. Let's start it for the first time. It's looking good. What I like of this dishwasher, you can't use just one part of the machine, like you see this button. You can put to wash just the dishes who are down. If you don't have many dishes, you're gonna put just what you have here and use just the down part of the machine. They said it's more economic to do that if you don't have a lot of dishes to be washed. Yeah, let's go and see what those buttons are doing. From this one you change the program. Auto, Eco. Very nice. And from this one, like I told you, use the up part, the down, or both of them. I think from this one you lock the machine if you keep it 3 seconds. And this one is for if you don't want to wash him now, later, you know, in the night or something like that. This one is for if you need something really clean, like steam, you know, with steam and things like that, for babies. And very interesting. Yep, and cancel if you press 3 seconds. Cancel. Very nice. Start. Yeah, the machine is looking good. Like I told you, it's looking good. I had another machine, but this one is looking good. That one I think was much better on quality on the drawers. I find them very, you know, very shaky, you know, and very, like, they are not, you see what I mean? Look, like, they are not very tough. They are very, like, look, it's shaking a lot. This is what I don't like about this one. This one is alright. It's looking strong. I like this one. You can put your forks and knives and things like that, you know, and you can move it how you want, you know. Like, look, this one. It's like a V. It's coming like a V, but you can move it, make it straight. You see what I mean? You can do like that. And here you can, like I saw in the book, you can put glasses if they are higher or something like that, you know. I don't know how yet. Mhm. Yep. This one is for cups and things like that. Yep. And I think this one is on levels, you know, you can go down with it or up if you use this one from both of the sides. I can show you because I have to keep even my camera. But yeah, this one is going up and down. You know, if you have something bigger here and you need this one to go up, you have that. Yep. Yeah, it's looking good. It's I don't think it's the top model, you know, but it's all right. I had to change my dishwasher just because I had the problem with the other one was leaking, you know, and was on warranty. After 2 years I had problem with leakings, and I go and choose this one. I don't know about Samsung, how they are with washing dishwasher and washing machine and things like that. I had one from Beko. Was a Grunding, but was made by Beko. I don't know who make the Samsung ones. I have no idea. I'm gonna give a try to see how it's going, and we're gonna see after. We are back. I washed a couple of times with this new dishwasher. Yeah, the dishwasher is alright. It's washing very good. I like how it's washing. The things I don't like, I can say I don't like the space inside. Like, look what I mean. Now, because I have very big dishes, you know, I need to keep this one on top to have space for those spindles to rotate. And you can put, like, you have just two options, up or down. You don't have a middle section. When you do that, you don't have so many space here, like you see. This one is touching here, and like, look, a bowl of soup, if you want to put it here, we're gonna stay like that. The next one, we're gonna stay on top of it, and you know what I mean, the water will not gonna spring inside to wash them really good. If you put them here, it's slippy, they are not staying good. Look. Yeah, you don't have space for those ones. You don't have really good space for those ones. The rest, it's washing good. The machine is fine. I'm alright with it. You know, even if I don't like a couple of things, 2 or 3 things, it's still alright. Price and quality, I think it's alright. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe. I'll try to do more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.